Atomy is a global online mall that currently operates in 14 countries, expanding into more countries every year. Our daily necessity products are manufactured with great quality at the lowest possible price, so members shop online for great products at deeply discounted prices. This is known as the absolute quality for the absolute price. This video will focus on how members can make money through Atomy's generous referral program if they choose to do so. By the end of the video, you will learn how members can work towards making $1,200 to $1,200 US in daily commission on top of other bonuses and incentives. Shopping at retail stores like Target, Walmart, Costco, or Amazon may earn you reward points or a one-time gift card of $5 or $10, but they do not earn you commission. Reward points may be redeemable for certain benefits at the specific stores you accumulate them with, but commission is cash. Atomy offers so much more. Let's find out. The Atomy Online Mall offers products including personal care, beauty, household products, health supplements, and more. Atomy's business model provides a means to convert household expenses into household income. However, it does much more than this. Atomy's team-based commission system provides a business opportunity for those who lack the ability to make a capital investment to start their own business. In other words, you will not need to go to a bank to get a small business loan to open up a store. All one needs to do to start taking advantage of these benefits is to simply switch the store they use to purchase their daily necessities at and invite others to do the same. To get started, you will build 2 consumer groups. Since your member ID is global, you can add people from various countries around the world to your consumer group. Consumer groups are organized on what are known as the right and left groups. You will learn more about these groups later. As you add members to the consumer group, they in turn will add members to the consumer group as well. It will grow to something like the chart that we see here, except it can get much larger than this. You can have dozens, hundreds, even thousands of members in your consumer groups on an unlimited number of levels, all generating what's called point value, or PV for short. Point value, or PV, is what is generated when you or your members are purchasing things on the Atomy Mall. There are 2 types. Personal PV is what you generate as you purchase things on the Atomy Mall. This PV will never reset, it always accumulates, much like the odometer on your car. The second type of PV is group PV. There is left group and right group PV. This PV will accumulate and roll over from day to day until there is a commission payout, in which case it will reset back to 0. As an example of PV, we have here a $30 box of Atomy Pearl Tea. This is worth 13,000 PV just on its own. Every item in the Atomy Mall is worth PV. Personal PV and both left and group PVs are used to calculate commission payouts. Referring to this chart, you can see the minimum values required to earn certain levels of commission payouts. When your consumer groups grow, the rate at which you accumulate PV will increase, leading to larger commission payouts. Because your members will reorder items as needed, this PV will be easy to get. As your accumulated PV reaches certain milestones, what is known as your mastership will progress, entitling you to further benefits. A unique aspect of this system is that your membership can be inherited by your child, who will continue to receive bonuses from Atomy after you pass away. This chart shows these mastership levels and the monthly compensation that uses the general commission and the bonuses combined to give you an idea of how much can be earned on a monthly basis. As you achieve new mastership levels, you will also receive a special incentive bonus. This table shows what those bonuses are for each mastership level. So try it. If you like it, share it with other people. There's no fee for joining and no capital investment. In fact, there's no fees of any kind. You will only receive the items that you order. You will purchase quality products at deeply discounted member prices, earn commission payouts, and enjoy better health and better skin. So join our everyday Atomy team. We will provide training and resources to help you succeed, as well as further explanation on how the system works. Our contact information is located at the lower right of this slide, and we look forward to hearing from you.